everybody, this is Jamal, author of Skip the Rat Race, How to Seize Your Bright Future and Live It Now. Here in the U.S., it is Super Bowl Sunday, and the Super Bowl is where the football teams play for the championship. And a lot of people watch. It's one of the most watched sporting events in the country and possibly around the world. But I want to just talk to and pull a lesson from this theme today. And so, to get to the Super Bowl, the teams had to do a lot of preparation for this moment. They had to prepare in the preseason, they had to train, they had to work out, they had to eat right, they had to overcome some challenges by defeating other teams, they had to self-assess and self-evaluate themselves by looking at film, they had to evaluate their competition and their competitors, all so they could be ready for when this moment comes. And so in your life, I want to challenge you. Are you preparing yourself for your moment? Are you evaluating yourself? Are you evaluating the competition, meaning the people who are currently operating in the field or area where you are going to operate? Are you preparing yourself? Are you getting those disciplines in place for you to be successful? And if you're not, I encourage you to go ahead and start today. You can download a strategic planning tool off my website for free. That will help you do that, jamalmaxim.org. But I challenge you this week to really engage in preparing for your moment, because when your moment comes, you don't want to be trying to get ready. You want to already be ready. All right, that's the tip for this week. Be successful.